In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use NeuronWriter, a powerful content creation and SEO optimization tool that's perfect if you're writing blogs or trying to rank better on Google. But before we begin, make sure to click the link in the description to sign up and start using NeuronWriter, especially if you're serious about SEO. Now, let's get into it. So NeuronWriter is a writing assistant powered by AI. But what makes it different is that it doesn't just write for you. It helps you rank, it analyzes your competitors, shows you what keywords they're using, it helps you structure your content, and then gives you an overall score based on how optimized your writing is. It's like writing with an SEO expert looking over your shoulder. Now, once you're signed into NeuronWriter, you'll land on the main dashboard. So on the left-hand side, you'll see a few sections. You've got My Projects, Shared Projects, Accounts, and a Learn More section. You can also toggle dark mode if you prefer a darker interface while writing. So to get started, let's create a new project. So click on Create New Project, and then you'll be asked whether it's domain related or not. So for this example, let's choose project not related to a domain. This is useful if you're writing content for multiple sites or just testing things out. Then you'll name your project. So I'll just type in project test. And then click next. And now you'll choose the default search engine and language. So I'll select United States for the search engine and English for the language. And once that's done, click Create. And now we're inside our project dashboard. So at the top, click New Queries. This is where the content creation really begins. And then you'll see two options, New Content and Optimized Content. New content is what you'll use when you're writing a new article from scratch, while optimized content is for pasting an existing blog post and improving it based on SEO data. Now let's go with new content for this tutorial. So for the keyword, I'll just use the example car insurance. So type that in and then click Start. And then NeuronWriter will now start analyzing Google's top ranking content for that keyword. So while it's processing, let me quickly walk you through the tools on the left under this project. So you have a section called Content Writer, which is where most of the writing and editing happens. Then there's Management, which lets you organize content. Performance, where you can track optimization scores. Team, where you can add collaborators. And Settings, where you can tweak things like project language and default behaviors. Once the analysis is finished, you'll see a list of competitor articles that are currently ranking for the keyword car insurance. You can click on any of them to see how they're structured, but for now, we're going to click Next because we want to write our own version. So this takes us to the content editor, and this is where you'll do all the writing. So first you'll be prompted to generate a title and meta description. You can write your own or let NeuronWriter generate it for you. But just keep in mind that using the AI generator here will use up some of your credits. So once your title and meta descriptions are ready, go ahead and click Save and Exit to enter the editor. And then now you're ready to start writing. So begin by adding your H1 headline at the top. So this should match your title or something close to it. Next is open the Outline tab on the right. NeuronWriter uses AI to generate suggested headings based on the top ranking articles. You can simply click the three dots next to a section like, for example, auto insurance coverages and discounts, and insert it as an H2. And then you'll also see persuasive lines like, get a car insurance quote today and enjoy the ease of working with us. These are good for call to actions or introductory sections. There's even a section filled with common questions people ask, such as, what is the cheapest car insurance type? Or who has the cheapest car insurance in TX? You can use this as subheadings to build your blog structure. So from here, start writing. And then as you write, you'll notice a content score on the right side. This tells you how optimized your content is compared to your competitors. So the higher your score, the better your chances of ranking. So in the US market, top ranking articles usually hit a score around 90. So your goal is to beat that. You can improve your score by writing better headings, adding more relevant keywords, and expanding your content length. So to help with that, head over to terms section. This is where NeuronWriter gives you all the important keywords and phrases that you should be using in your article. You can even click on each one to see how other sites are using that term. It's super helpful if you're not sure how to naturally fit in. The more terms you use correctly, the higher your score will go. And honestly, this tool is packed with value, and if you're planning to write a lot of content, I'd recommend upgrading to the Pro plan or higher. You'll get faster AI generation, access to more projects, and additional credit for outlines, descriptions, and AI writing. Once you're happy with your draft, just click Save and you can go back to My Projects dashboard. And then you'll see your saved project there, along with the content score that you achieved. Since I didn't write a full blog post in this walkthrough, the score isn't finalized. But when you write yours properly, that number will reflect your progress. So if you want to export your post to WordPress or Shopify, you'll need one of the premium plans. So I personally recommend the Gold plan, which is around $57 per year. It includes integration with WordPress, Shopify, and gives you more flexibility in exporting and managing content. And that's it. That's how you use NeuronWriter to research, write, optimize, and prepare your content for publishing all in one place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on